Good morning, YouTube. Hope everybody's having a good week so far, guys. Wednesday morning, and it's been a bit since I posted a video, guys. Been really busy here with the group. We just started, posting content for our small account class, so been really busy with that. But before we jump into the topic of this video, I want to show you guys, what hard work looks like. So my brother and I here, guys, outside of our main focus trades group, we've got the trader development group, the TDG, and this is our, hands-on, every single day work hard group, with these really dedicated traders. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning, guys. The market doesn't open for another 2.5 hours. And check this out, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 traders, guys, here hard at work. They're live right now. My brother Chandler doing some morning prep 2 hours before the market opens. They're going to be here until the market opens. They're going to be here until the market closes. And knowing these guys, right, all 20 plus of us are going to get back together sometime this evening, guys, review today's price action, review our trades, and just begin the prep for the following morning. So just wanted to show you guys, this is the kind of, work, this is the kind of action you got to be putting into your trading to get better. If you're one of those guys or girls who's rolling up 20 minutes before the open, you're not going to make much progress. So I'm proud of these guys. Now let's jump into that video. So you guys saw the title of this video, right? The only setup that matters in the market right now. And of course, guys, this is just one guy's opinion. But to me, guys, this is the only setup that actually matters right now. And if we take a look here at ES, and it's the same shit for SPY, we got a daily squeeze. Now, if you have no idea what a squeeze is, guys, I'm not going to explain it in this video. You can go back on my channel. I got plenty of videos on the squeeze you can go take a look at. But for those of you guys that are familiar with the squeeze and understand it, we got a daily squeeze right now on the index, right? And here's what's happening, guys. The market right now is essentially stuck. Now, if you look at a low time frame, it looks like we're making crazy moves all over the place, but big picture reality, this shit is stuck right now. When we squeeze, guys, right, I always use the comparison of a rubber band. You pull a rubber band, you can pull that shit, you can stretch it, stretch it, stretch it. The further you stretch it, at some point, it's going to snap. And that is very similar, guys, to a squeeze in the market. These Bollinger Bands are contracting, price action is contracting, implied volatility is dying down. All this energy is getting built up inside the squeeze. At some point, guys, this is going to snap. And when it does snap, it typically leads to a pretty good move for the market. Whether that move be a breakout as the squeeze fires to the upside, making a nice push, guys, 3,000 plus. Whether the squeeze fires to the downside, bringing us down to previous levels of support. When we're in a squeeze, we know that a big move is likely coming, but the importance, guys, of when you identify that is then having the discipline to actually wait for that bigger potential move and avoid getting caught up in all that noise in and all side of that chop. Because here's all I'm trying to say, guys, is that if we look at the big picture of the market here, right, nobody's going to argue that we're stuck right now. It's very obvious to see that, with or without the squeeze. But here's the deal. If we now go to a low time frame, let's get rid of the Bollinger Bands, and let's say go to even an hourly chart. It looks like, guys, we're making ridiculous moves. And sure, if you're an intraday trader, right, these are big-ass moves. But for a big picture perspective, guys, which is important for swing traders, day traders, and scalpers alike, when we are in a big consolidation like this, that next big move is coming. And to me, guys, this is important because the market itself is in a squeeze. Once the market itself can fire the squeeze, whether it be to the upside or whether it be to the downside, there obviously, guys, is a huge probability it's going to drag all the stocks that we love to watch. Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Nvidia, Google, Facebook, Shop, Tesla. There's a very high probability that once this squeeze fires, the market is going to drag those names with it. If the squeeze fires to the upside, guys, you probably don't want to be short tech names. You probably don't really want to be short any kind of market-leading stocks. If the squeeze fires to the downside, it's just the opposite. This market, guys, dumps out of this squeeze. We fire to the downside. You probably don't want to be long Apple. Probably don't want to be long Netflix or Nvidia. So all I'm trying to say, guys, is when you have a setup that has as much potential power behind it as the daily squeeze here, and when that setup is happening on the market itself, that should warrant everybody's attention. Whether you trade on an intraday basis, you swing trade, you buy and hold, whatever the deal is, when the market goes into a squeeze, guys, it's important for all of us to identify. So to me, not a 5-minute chart, not an intraday level, not what happened yesterday, not what's happening today. Nothing else matters, guys, at the moment, aside from this squeeze and waiting for it to fire. So that's my advice. If you're a day trader, continue to do your day trades. But at the end of the day, guys, once this squeeze fires up or down, there's a high probability it's going to drag everything with it. So don't get caught slipping. I wish you guys the best of luck this week. I got more videos coming. If you haven't already, subscribed. And as always, guys, I appreciate y'all. I'll talk to y'all in the next video.